Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to see another LeetCode daily question, which is find unique binary substrings. So let's understand the question first. So we are given an array of strings whose name is nums, and it contains exactly n unique binary strings. So n unique binary strings and of length n itself. So basically, the length of this entire string is like it has two elements, right? And length of each string in this entire array is 2. So if the entire length is n, then the length of each string will be n itself. Similarly, if you see over here, the length of entire thing is 3, right? And length of each string within the array is itself 3. So this is the question, and moreover, what it says is the entire string, like all the strings are unique. So this is given, and the question is asking us is to print any substring which is not in this array. So, for example, when we try to write a combination of two strings in binary, we can have either 00, 01, 10, and 11, right? So they have given two, and two are missing. So we can print any of the remaining. So this is the question, and for mostly these kinds of question, if you can see the constant is even small, it's n is only of 16 size. So for this kind of question, mostly what we think is like we can generate all the subsequence using some kind of recursion, right? And among that, we'll search for whatever is available, and the one which is not available, we'll just print that out, and that will be our answer. And this is the brute force approach. But this is we have a more simpler, very simpler, answer to this question, and let's see the solution how we can do it. So for example, suppose we are given with our string as 111, 1001, and 001. So in this case, what we can do is, suppose this is my entire given string, okay? So suppose what I am doing is like I need something different from this string, that is for sure. So what I'll do is like for the first place I'll change it this to 0, and then the remaining like I'll make this 0, and remaining will be 1 and 1 itself, right? Over here this is 1, so I'll this one I'll make it 1, and for this one it will be 1 itself. Similarly, over here 0 0, and I'll make this 1. So what you can see is like basically what I am doing is, let me draw it. So for this thing, one second. Yeah. So yeah, for this one I'm replacing it with a 0. Over here for this 0 I'm replacing this with 1, and for this 0 I'm replacing this with 1. So what I'm doing is like for all the characters in our string, I'm just making sure that like if I replace this with 0, I'm definitely sure that whatever is and like now this will be my final string, right? 0, 1, and 1 will be a final string which is not matching any of those. So what I am like, how why will this work? This will work because I'm making sure that when I replace this one with 0, I'm making sure that like for the future, whatever changes I'll make, like that string will definitely like be different from this string. So suppose the thing is like I'm making this 0, and I don't know what two string will come in future, but this is making sure that this string do not match, these two string do not match, right? So I'm making sure that this doesn't match. Similarly over here, I already have something like 0, and then over here I'll make it 1, right? And I'm not sure about this, but this one is going to make the difference. This one will make sure that okay, this string will not match with any of this combination. And similarly over here I'm making a difference. So at the end, what my conclusion is like, the string which will be generated, this string is not matching to any of the given string, that is for sure, right? And this is how this algorithm works. So let's see the code quickly. Yeah, so if you can see the code, it is very easy. So I'm basically initializing a string answer with empty string, and what I'm doing is like I'm iterating through the entire list, and for all the elements, so suppose I am at the zeroth element of the array, and for the zeroth index of that string, if it is 1, I'm making it 0, and if it is 0, I'm making it 1, right? So I'm just changing it, flipping it basically. Similarly for the second string, for the second place I'm doing for the third string. So in this way I'm making sure that I'm definitely going to create a string which is different from all of these. And if you submit this, it will work definitely. So I guess this is like you were able to understand this. Thank you so much for watching.